Change from English to Dinka language. 1. Let me know. In Dinka is Chol Angech. Chol Angech. Let me see. In Dinka, Chol and Die or Chol Ating. Chol and Ting. Chol and Die. Chol and Ting. Let me hear. Chol and Ping or Chol Apiang. Chol and Ping or Chol Apiang. Let me think. In Dinka, Chol and Tek. Chol and Tek. Chol attack. Chol and Tek or Chol attack. Let me think. Let me finish. In Dinka, Chol and Atok. Chol and Atok. Chol Atol. Chol and Atok or Chol Atol. Let me understand. Chol Adet. Chol Adet or Chol Adedich. Let me try. Chol Atem. Chol Atem or Chol and Atem. Let me talk. Chol and Jam. Chol and Ajam or Chol and Jam. Let me sleep. Chol and Nin. Chol and Anin. Let me eat. Chol and Chem. Chol and Chem. Chol Acham. By William Majang did. Dupuy Tongjang. Please follow for more Dinka to English words. Thank you very much. I'm William. Bye bye. See you in next lessons.